To redeem a Spotify Premium code through Microsoft Rewards, start by visiting the Microsoft Rewards website. From there, click on Start Earning to be directed to the Rewards webpage, where you can explore various ways to earn Microsoft Rewards points. Once you're ready to redeem your points, click on the Redeem option and search for Spotify. If the code is available, you'll be able to find it. However, availability may vary depending on your location or the current time. If the code is not available, you may need to check back every few days to see if it has become available. When it is available, simply click on it, redeem the code, and enter it into Spotify to access your premium subscription. Note that availability may be limited to certain regions, such as the US, and may not be accessible in other parts of the world. By periodically checking the Microsoft Rewards website, you can redeem your Spotify Premium code and enjoy your subscription when it becomes available.